Today we talk about how can you add bio on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on edit profile. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on biography here. So then here add about you in this list. When you down, just click in this sign. So then it's going to add with you automatically on your app. So that's all you have to do to add about you on your app. That's all. I wish you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. See you next video.